Welcome back everyone. In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a 3D anaglyph image using any of your existing photographs. You will need a goggle that has red and blue glasses to view and fine-tune the end results of this tutorial. It would be beneficial if you select a photograph which has one single subject that stands out well, like in this one. Let's see how we can convert this into an Anaglyph 3D image. You can buy or create your own glasses. The links are given in the description. Let's get started. To begin with, you have to select a quick selection tool, which you can invoke by pressing W on your keyboard or going to the Tools panel and selecting Quick Selection Tool. Once you select this tool, you can click on the button that is Select Subject. Once you click it, the Photoshop will do its magic and give you selection around the most prominent subject in your photograph. But if you look closely, you will know that the selection is very rough and you will definitely need to spend some time on it to refine it. We definitely require time in getting this selection done. To save time in this video, I've already gone ahead and made a fine refined selection on another document. Now we will be working on this document in this tutorial. Once you have your selection, press Ctrl or Command J to duplicate a layer or create a new layer only with this selection in place. Once you have this layer, you click Ctrl or Command J one more time to create one more layer with the same selection. Let's rename the layer 1 as red and the layer 1 copy as cyan. Now select the red layer and click FX. Choose Blending Options. In this pop-up, at the Channels options bar, just deselect green and blue to keep the red channel active. Select the cyan layer, go to FX, select Blending Modes and only deselect the red channel. To keep the GB, that is a cyan mode, on, click OK. Now once you have the blending modes dialed in, select the red layer, press Ctrl or Command and click into the layer's thumbnail to activate the selection one more time. Now select Move tool, which you can invoke by pressing V on your keyboard or selecting the Move tool from the Tools panel here. Having the Move tool selected, press left or right arrow keys to move your selection left or right. With the red channel selected or the red layer selected, we will be moving the entire area towards right. Press right arrow 10 times on your keyboard to move it right. Now select the cyan layer, Ctrl click into the thumbnail of cyan layer and move the layer on the left hand side by pressing left arrow key 10 times. Now deselect by pressing Ctrl or Command D or go to select and then click deselect. Like here, I have already deselected, so the option is grayed out. Now to get rid of this transformation controls, you can move to a tool which is rectangular marquee tool and the transform controls will disappear. Now we have dialed in our effect successfully. You can put on your 3D glasses, the Anaglyph 3D glasses, and check it out for yourself. Hope you have liked this tutorial. I will bring in a lot of new, more interesting tutorials for you to practice. Till then, happy editing.